Yes, mga kaibigan, magandang hapon. Meron na finally update itong si Bel Mariano sa kanyang Twitter account, mga kaibigan. Sinasagawa po itong picture-taking family picture ng Miss Gerson Robbins IG do Putugaling. At narito po ang buong cast ng main lead ng movie ni Bel Mariano with Maricel Soriano, Joshua Garcia, J.K. Labao, and Piolo Pascual. Kinilig si Inday.
Nandyan lang yan. Mata kasing gamitin, hindi bibig. Mama! Nagmana ka talaga sa akin. I love you, anak.
Ma?
Yes, base sa nakita natin, mga kaibigan, it is a movie from Cathy Garcia Molina, mga kaibigan. Ang sabi dito, are you ready, guys? Meet and greet and buy, starring Bel Mariano, Joshua Garcia, Juan Carlos Nabajo, Piolo Pascual, and Miss Maricel Laksa soon in cinemas nationwide na daw. And watch the teaser. Narito po ang teaser ng movie na yan from Facebook po, mga kaibigan. Let's go and watch this.
Ayan. Kasi nakikinig, papunta ka pala. Pabalik na ako.
Mom!
Nandyan lang yan. Mata kasing gamitin, hindi bibig.
Mama!
Nagmana ka talaga sa akin. I love you, anak.
Ma!
So, base sa ating nakita ay isang family movie po ito at heavy drama po, mga kaibigan, kasi nga po feels like isang single mom, si Miss Maricel Laksa, OFW ba, tapos malayo sa mga anak niya. Sabi ni Ephraim Merit Dumapay, it breaks my heart. I remember my lost mama. The first word I have learned was mama, and the last word I spoke when mama was gone was mama. I miss her solemn voice, her incomparable advices, and an unconditional love. Her loss was unexpected too, complications, but I just want to tell her I'm fighting battles in life alone, the way she has been strong. I miss you, Mama Tess. Wish I could hug you now, and I should have loved you more before it's too late. Wow! Kailangan daw dito, mga kaibigan, mga tissue, towel, lahat ng yaon, kasi nga po, papaiyakin tayo ng heavy drama na ito sa movie ni Miss Cathy Garcia Molina. I think it's going to be a blockbuster, mga kaibigan, given na yung mga lead casts nito ay mga bigating mga artista, and all of them are so good at heavy drama. So I think this is another moment for all of them to shine, mga kaibigan. Sabi nga ni Alvin Tunyakaw, sa tingin ko parang same lang din ito sa Tanging Yaman. Ikaw lamang at 70 Sundays. Pero kaabang-abang pa rin to, basta Tatak Star Cinema, siguradong blockbuster yan. Especially parang first time yatang magsama ang mga bida dito, aside kay Maricel at Piolo, nagsama na kasi sila dati sa Mila. Ayan, excited daw ang lahat para kay Bel Mariano, mga kaibigan. We are seated and congratulations to you, Bel Mariano, from Don Bel Rojas City Chapter. According to Lorly Alidio Lucido, Lord's Diamond Star, another Best Actress Award. Yan, mga kaibigan. So yes, this thread is having so much comments po, mga kaibigan.
Mama?
Ayan, having 22,400 likes and 4,000 shares. And yes, this is a post from ABS-CBN Film Productions Incorporated or Star Cinema. And it's a new movie alert para sa lahat. Ayan po, ang sabi niya dito, come together for a family movie that hits close to me and heals your heart. Meet, Greet, and Buy yata ang title po nito. A film by Kathy Garcia Sampana, soon in cinemas worldwide. So this is going to be a worldwide movie, mga kaibigan. Kakayanin kayang abutin ng Meet, Greet, and Buy na ito ang record ng Hello, Love Again and Hello, Love with Goodbye. Malalaman po natin yan, mga kaibigan, after po ito i-release sa cinemas worldwide. And syempre, Believers officials saying Bel Mariano, Joshua Garcia, Juan Carlos, Piolo Pascual, and Ms. Maricel Soriano are all in one movie. We are seated. Dahil dyan, dito na sila sa TV Patrol. Let's all watch this.
Joshua Garcia, big announcement mula sa ABS-CBN Films. Magsasama si isang pangmalakasang pelikula sina Piolo Pascual, Bel Mariano, Joshua Garcia, Juan Carlos at ang nag-iisang Diamond Star, Maricel Soriano. Nagpapatrol, MJ Felipe.
Anak, say mama.
Ngayong gabi, formal nang ipinasilip ng ABS-CBN Films ang aabangang pelikulang pagsasamahan ng ilan sa pinakamalalaking kapamilya stars. Sina Piolo Pascual, Joshua Garcia, Juan Carlos, Bel Mariano at ang Diamond Star na si Maricel Soriano. Meet, Greet, and Buy ang title ng proyekto. Eksklusibong naimbitahan sa look test ng pelikula ang ABS-CBN News at captured agad ng camera ang chemistry ng mga bida. Kwento ng direktor na si Kathy Garcia Sampana, malapit sa puso niya ang family drama movie na ito.
Sabi ko nga, I think this will be my love letter to my children, as this might be the love letters of all parents to their children and hopefully vice versa.
Binabasa pa lang ni Piolo ang script, alam na niyang tatagos ito sa mga makakapanood. Huling family drama movie ni Piolo ay ang pelikulang dekada 70.
Something new, something you won't expect, and the movie itself, the script, when I was reading it, I had to park it every so often because hindi lang siya nakakayak, it's really touching. Talagang makikita mo yung kultura natin bilang Pilipino.
First family drama movie naman ito ni Joshua, first Star Cinema project ni Juan Carlos, at first time ni Bel na makatrabaho ang lahat sa isang pelikula.
First time ko makatrabaho si Piolo, of course. Si Bel, nakatrabaho ko na siya sa Love You to the Stars, and first time with brother. Yes, sir.
The chemistry that we all have, not just the cast, but everyone here on, and I feel like it's just gonna be so fun. It's not gonna feel like we're
Such parang a breath of fresh air for me. Meron ka ba, of course, pero I'm really excited for this project. I've read some of it and sobrang yun nga, it will take you home.
Bukod sa nakakaantig na kwento, ito ang isa sa gustong ihain ng Meet, Greet, and Buy.
Pakilala sa mundo kung ano ang pamilyang Pilipino. How we raise our children, kung gaano ka-close yung family ties natin bilang Pinoy. Parang gusto kong pakita sa kanila paano tayo magmahal.
MJ Felipe, ABS.
So, hayun. Isang heavy drama ito, mga kaibigan. And for sure, marami na ang nag-aabang kung kailan ang release nito. Kasi meron na po silang pa-art card, mga kaibigan. So yes, Belle as one of the boys. I'm so ready for Bunso and only daughter Belle. Ngiting magpapaiyak sa atin ang ginawa ng cast ng Meet, Greet, and Bye. Goosebumps na kaagad from the way they delivered actress Belle Mariano. This is welcome back movie for her daw. So yes, handa na ba kayong umiyak sa storya ng buhay ni Belle, Maricel Soriano, Piolo, Jake Labajo, and Chicho Garcia? Nako, ako ay handa na rin. This is Alexander Lex the Jules. Yan po muna ang ating update. I will see you later for more dito lang sa ating channel na nagmamahal sa mga artistang fine-feature natin syempre. Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat.